I drop and I deliver right, hook them, take them down to my level where I want them. Might throw here and then come here. I can take the hand, I can take the eyes, right? And then I'm switching there. 1, 2. ETS Silat Juru number 1 with the knife. We're gonna go over the flow of Juru 1 and then how we can use it in an application format. All right, so it starts here. We hide the blade underneath the armpit, okay? From there, we step out right leg, and we're here. Okay, so one more time. Here, here. We pivot. Now I'm with the Juru, we want to hide the knife. When we're doing a knife switch, it's obviously not in close range and it's also going to be hidden. So it's going to be done where we're at a safer range that we can hide it. The only other time that I might do a knife switch is if it's buried inside if it's actually buried inside them here and I want to take it out and then I'll switch and go to something else. So that'd be maybe another time I'd use it, but we're here, C-cup, we turn, and we come to here, we hide the blade. We drop low, slash the leg, we switch here, and we come to here. We cut high, we cut low. Now when we go back to reset, the footwork is gonna look like this. We go 1, 2. So again, we start here, here. We turn, we switch. So just so you can see what I'm doing with that switch, we're here. So we start from this position, we step out, we turn, switch is like this. Switch, then we turn back, we drop, slash. Now, when we rise and switch the grip at the same time and we come to this position here. Then we cut high, we cut low, come back, and we're here. All right, so just to show you what it looks a little bit more fluid, right? We're here. Boom. All right, so that would be like more fluid. So we have to break it up. So when we come down to this low slash here, you want to do it like this. But to get the movement down first, we want to rise slowly and switch. And then here's your draw here. So this draw can be used for a lot of different things where I can grab something here, something coming in, slash, slash, or this is just the basic hiding the blade here, right? This is what you're looking at, and this is what you're getting. Okay, so it's like that surprise type of thing going on there. All right, so let's go over that one more time. Here. 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 Drop. Rise. Here. 1, 2. This Juru is teaching you multiple different things. I'm not necessarily going to be like, if I get into a knife altercation, I'm not going to be facing the guy off and be like in this position here and go, oh, let me do my switch here. No, it's not. We can't do it like that because you're going to get killed. Okay. The switches are for, so if I'm in my C-cup, my basic knife fighting stance here. Okay. If he comes in to say slash at me, okay, I get out of the way, I might decide to switch here as I'm out of the way at a safe distance because the switch is going to be done very quickly. When you're proficient at something, you can make it happen. He's already committed to that slash. He commits to that slash. Now he comes with another slash high. I drop low and I cut. Okay, from there, I'm going to follow in with this just to get the job done real quick because I don't have time to switch here and then come in with a thrust. So as soon as I slash, I'm committing with this here. All right. So that's going to be the drill we're going to work. Now remember, all these Jurus are the ABCs to the alphabet. You're going to take what you need, when you need, and how you need it. Okay, I might be already started in my reverse grip, and he comes with that slash up high, and I drop down low, and then I come back in here. Okay, so even if he comes with that, I drop down low, he comes with an overhead, I might stop it here and now drive in there. Or stop it here and get this out of the way and come to the Achilles and take that Achilles out. Maybe take them here, bring them down to my level, and finish. Okay? Those are just maybes, what ifs, make believe, who knows. But you have to be ready for any situation, right? Because we don't know what's going to happen in a knife fight. But the main thing is when you're going with that slash down low, you're taking that femoral as you slash. So right there, within 30 seconds, he's going to know what happened. Okay? That's all it takes. All right? So for the drill, or for the Juru purposes, I start in here's my basic stance. I get in my C-cop here. He goes to slash. I get out of the way. As I get out of the way, I'm switching my grip. Now he comes again to commit. I drop and I deliver right back in. So drop, deliver. Okay? Now, so he gets his reps. He gets in his C-cop. I come with my slash. Right? Then I go for another slash. He cuts and he delivers it. Now I go back in my deal. Okay? I'm here. I'm switching. He comes in. I drop. I deliver. Okay? Then I come back up. Right? Then I go to slash it. Him. 1. He gets out of the way. 2. He delivers. Okay, just so you can see it from this side. I'm in my C-cop. He comes in. 1. I get out of the way. He comes in. I drop. I slash. I deliver. Slash, deliver. So this, if I have the blade in this hand, I can get the femoral. On this side, I'm going to take that sciatic. All right, so I cut the leg here. Now, if he has jeans on, hopefully your knife is sharp enough to cut through his jeans. All right, it could be to the body here, but it could be down at the leg here as well, okay? It's all situational dependent. Because remember, even if I do miss the cut here, I'm already delivering back in here super quick, right? And if he does come in with that now I have this to stop that, okay? Now I can come in here, hook him, take him down to my level where I want him, right? And now I have him cut, deliver, cut, or thrust right into the pit. I still have maintained this blade. If I want to be extra safe, I'll just trap here. But he's already been stabbed, so what's the point? Okay, so that's the drill. We're taking from the C-cop. He comes in with that slash. I angle out of the way. Immediately switching because I'm not playing, right? I've done this switch thousands of times. I know that I'm confident doing my switch. Even if I know that like we're in this position here, he comes in, I might switch there. Or we're here, he comes in, boom, I'm here, pop, pop. And now I might throw here and then come here, right? So the options are endless, but we have to play all the options. So remember, the Jurus are just they're the conduit. You have to put them back in the filing cabinet and Rolodex them and play with every single part of that Juru. Okay, because going through the whole Juru just doesn't make sense. Okay, that's not how you should train your Jurus. Okay. ETS Silat Juru number 2. Here. Back in your stance, C-cop. So first move you do is you're taking the eyes here. Taking the eyes. Okay, so one more time. Here. Here. Take the eyes. Now, as you do that, this is catching the blade on the side here. So we go 1, 2. Okay. From there, we step to the side. We blind with the punch. Okay. And thrust. Okay. Here. Here. One. Catch. Punch. Thrust. Okay? Just be aware of that camera. We're here. Here. Take the eyes. Here. Here. Okay, from there, this blade stays close to the body. So once you thrust, you turn this way. This way. Okay, you're gonna switch your grip like this. To forward grip. You're stepping forward. Thrust low. Thrust high. Okay. Here. Here. 1, 2, 3. Here. Thrust. Thrust. Now the finish is going to be a series of the same footwork we finished with on 1, but you're adding 2 cuts like this as you jump back. So you're going, you thrust, you go back.
It goes to the
Just to the body, so it could just be like
the old Juru where we did.
Exactly. I'm in here. Maybe he's come. I'm 1, 2, and I get out of the way, just to get back out of that situation. Okay. So we're here. Here. 1, 2, 3. Here. Thrust. Thrust.
I thought it was
Here.
you're ripping it out. Like the and when you're coming this when you're here like that. I thought they were
Yeah. Well, once you're in, so this 1, 2. This is basically guarding here, guarding close to your body.
So that's
Keeping
the
it-
switch next
but
to the
if
body,
it's
right?
in the guy,
If it's in the guy, you're
Yeah.
tearing,
you're tearing it out.
twisting it. So it's like this, bang.
But then you're
then back.
making the other switch when you're right here, right?
That's all I was saying.
That's when you're taking it back.
Yeah. So the switch is going to be on the
No,
side
I'm
like
up
this.
here, right? I'm in here. Let's say I'm the one right. So you're getting behind my body when you do.
Correct. Yeah.
So
100%.
that's when you're switching when you're right on them.
Yep. So it's like
Yeah.
it's if I'm in on you. All right. So if I did
If you the punch,
so I punch
Then you-
and then I come in here with
Right.
this, right?
the switch is.
This
right
is
here.
where I get in on the body like this,
Right.
and then I go
That's what
here.
it's done. So
Yeah.
you're using the leg to block.
Yep.
And then pulling the knife from there.
Exactly.
Kind of trapping me with his legs.
And trapping the upper upper arm too to make you move. Yeah. So exactly. So if you are inside the bot, like so when we're from this point here and we do this switch, do the blind here, but as we step, we're doing that, right? We're going here, 1, and then this is delivering because this is gonna blind them and make them react. That's why we come here and we bring them back, and then that goes right in the body. If it's in the body and you haven't pulled it out, 1, 2, and pull back out. You're going here, you're gonna twist with it and then bring it close to your body to get the switch here. So the switch is like this. Up. Here.
The knife is still in, you're ripping. Basically, that's what it is, right?
Exactly. So it's like if I'm in the body here,
Then you're ripping it the
boom, I'm
boom.
slashing that way.
And then the switch.
Yep, then I'm switching, then boom, boom. Yeah, exactly. So from the beginning,
It kind of switches for you. Like
Yeah.
This, you just,
exactly. So yeah, there you
I
go.
see what you're saying with the. If you don't leave it in them, you
Yeah,
kind of hear you're guarding it.
exactly. Because then you have, so when you're here and I come in,
Yeah.
this is actually this. So if he's coming in with like a thrust, like if you're coming with like a thrust, come over here. So like say I'm in my position here, right? I'm in my C cup right here. All right. Maybe he comes with a thrust and I get this out of the way here and I come up high. Or I'm in this position where we haven't even done anything yet. He's in position. There's my eyes or my hand. I can take the hand. I can take the eyes, right? And then I'm switching. There's my 1. There's my decoy, exactly. So 1 here in the body. So this is where I pull it out and I get on the side of him here. So now this is choking him off. Okay, now I'm here. So I go 1, 2. I can even come to the back of the inside of the leg. I can come inside of the knee here. So dropping down, cutting up,
Shoot.
right? So there's,
That's a big cut right there, right?
Ugh.
You're coming right there, and you're here. What do you think about that last time? His arm is up, and now you're coming this way. You're slicing all the way.
Mhm.
So stab and cut.
yeah, you're
That's
disemboweling them.
That's over.
It's a done deal.
Yeah.
And again, I don't advocate people going to kill people with knives ever. This is zombie apocalypse. This is somebody breaks into your home and teach them a lesson, right? This is for standing your ground shit, okay? Nothing else. Somebody pulls a blade on you, you have no choice but to pull. I don't suggest going empty hands against a blade unless you know what you're doing and you're still getting cut. End of the day, you're getting cut. I don't care who you are, you're getting cut. I've been trained 29 years and I'm 100% sure I'm gonna get cut. So, you get in a blade situation, you better pull your blade quick.
This what's his name? Paul Money videos. What's his name? Paul. I got it. He's also Silat. That's Paul Money. He's on a lot of YouTube. That's all he does.
Tomorrow morning?
Is it Mark?
Mall.
He's got all the.
Yeah.
They get away like you never get
Oh,
caught.
yes. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. You're getting cut. So, again, when we're talking about like application of this stuff, again, we're taking pieces of this Juru. You know, it could be as simple as like I showed just a minute ago. We're in this position here. I might attack the knife hand, and that might come high, or I might come here moving around, and then come with this cut across here, just taking the eyes here. Boom, take the eyes. Right now, maybe I might slash back and switch here and come in with this. Right, because that to me I feel fine with because I've done this switch 1,000 times. You know, I know 100% I can come from here, right, and then slash back and then come in here as long as I know I've choked him off. Now I can come in with that same move in reverse grip, right, or if I'm in forward grip. So it's up to you guys to be like, you know, the artists with this stuff. The Jurors are just the map. You need to open the map up and figure the different routes to take, right? I can show you the routes that I would come up with, but the advanced people in the system, you come up with your own route.